What is going on YouTube? My name is Nick for the hashtag Very Cool Guys, and you are the hashtag Very Cool Gang. Today is going to be a great day because today we're going to be unboxing some Milwaukee. Okay?
What I'm talking about might save your life someday, okay?
Okay, Mr. Mackey, okay.
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 So what we have here today is the Milwaukee M18 FUEL Drain Snake with cable drive locking feed system. This is tool only, and the model number is 2772A-20. It's coming with the tool. It's also coming with a 5/16 by 35 foot cable. Pretty nice. So what will fit in the drum? So the drum capacity is 1/4 inch by 50 feet, 5/16 by 50 feet, and 3/8 by 35 feet. Those are the sizes of your cable. Power cable feed retract. Yes, it's got cable drive. Cable lock, yes, it's got a twist lock. Feed lock, yes, it's got a twist lock. It says variable spin speed, 0 to 600 RPMs. Variable feed speed, 0 to 8 inches per second. LED light, yes. Length, 19.5 inches. Weight, without the cable, is 8.2 pounds. Accepts other brand cables, it does. See, yes, it does. So on the back of the box says 2 times power than corded. Maximum power, 50 feet down the line. You can see the chart down here. The Milwaukee's in red. The competitors are all in gray. Cable drive locking feed system. Strongest cable grip maintains selected speed. You can see the feed and the lock. Twist to hold and adjust speed. 0 drum contact. Best protection, mess contained. So, we've got a good seal on the drum. It's also got the POWERSTATE Brushless Motor, the REDLINK PLUS Intelligence, and the REDLITHIUM battery pack. Let's get this thing open. So there's a box within a box. It's a double unboxing. You're in luck today. And out of the second box, within the box, within a box, there's more smaller boxes. No, I'm kidding. Not a lot in the box. Only what you need. Comes with instructions. We're gonna put this in a very important place for very important things.
Okay.
And we got the whole lineup of the M12 M18 Milwaukee. Some chance to win some cool stuff in here. Maybe cash and prizes. Check your box too. Maybe not. But it is cool. They have expansive line of tools. Oh, you do have your chance to win. Yeah, check your box for these. You can win tools and shirts and merch and all types of swag from Milwaukee. Check it out. It has a normal handle and switching from forward to reverse at the rear, but up here at the front, it has some arrows pointing you in certain directions. Take a look at these arrows. And it has notches as well. So this is in the locked position. This is how you would store it. Obviously, you take the battery off. But if you wanted to release some cable, you would pull this all the way. You'll feel it. It's a positive unlock. You slide it forward, and then there's more notches you'll slide and lock down into place. Make sure your trigger at the rear is on forward, not reverse. Now the best part, to get your cable back into the drum, all you have to do is go to the rear and press the reverse switch in. Then you unlock it. Boom, it's unlocked. You slide it back, and you'd lock it again. Well, there you have it, Very Cool Gang. This is the Milwaukee M18 FUEL Drain Snake with cable drive. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I know I definitely did. This is a really cool tool from Milwaukee, and I'm excited. I'm excited to snake some drains, and I hope you are as well. Everybody, I hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.
I'm excited too. See you later. video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.